Welcome back to Owen's Garage YouTubers. Owen currently isn't here. He's out at the movies right now with his brother. But we just got a new toy in the mail, and I kind of wanted to do a quick unboxing video and show you what we got. So, just got the M12 non-fuel 3/8 Milwaukee Ratchet. Should be about 35 foot-pounds, and with 5-year warranty. Cool thing is, we picked this up off eBay for about $78. I didn't add shipping into that, but I think that's a pretty good deal. But you know, now, yeah, we'll go ahead and open her up. I already cut the tape, so. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so first couple things you'll notice right out the box. We have our trigger lock here, keep you from engaging the trigger while it's in transport, or in your tool bag or something. Throw it in there. You got a battery still in it, you don't want it to run. Also, when you put it up for the night, put it in the toolbox, a bunch of other tools or something. So that's a pretty neat little feature. The handle, it's metal, but it goes into a plastic housing. Okay, still should be fine. And then we got our reversible ratchet head, and that was one of the reasons why I went with the non-fuel versus the fuel, is because the fuel had a bigger head, and I felt that getting into tighter spaces, this would be better suited for the job. Now, I have heard of some guys snapping these heads, but from putting too much torque on them. I have played with the fuel and the non-fuel. My dad has both of them, and I've used them, and this one I liked for what I do, So yeah, a couple of the other features. We'll put a battery in it here. This is a 1.5 amp hour battery. You can get them a 2.0 and a 3.0, and they look the same size as this. But then once you get past the 3.0, the 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, go to the bigger square battery, and it'll let you stand the tool up more stably. I mean, you can still do it this way. One thing you'll notice immediately as soon as you put a battery in it, or a quick little squeeze of the trigger, is the work light comes on. It's okay. I mean, it's not going to illuminate everything, but I mean, it'll illuminate the socket and maybe, whatever the workpiece is right in that immediate area, but it's not going to, light up the entire area. So, I mean, it's there. It's a light. A light's better than no light, The fuel has the light angled a little bit, where this one has to straight up and down. Other thing is too, as soon as you pull the trigger, you get your little gas gauge indication that shows you, how much battery you have left. And the other thing that this tool does, when you do torque it down and hit the max torque of the tool, instead of just keep going or jerking your hand, it cuts off. As soon as same thing happens when you hit something with too much torque, it protects itself and shuts off and doesn't let you over torque the tool. It does work like a normal ratchet when the tool itself isn't enough to take something loose. You can still break a bolt and then take it off. And then, yeah, so pretty excited to use this in some upcoming videos. We're going to get some real world applications on this and see how she works. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I've slowly been investing in the M12 lineup of Milwaukee tools. I don't have them here, but I do have a M12 drill and an M12 impact driver, both non-fuel, and they work great. There are a couple other tools on my list to get, but in time I will. But for right now, this is what we got, and like I said, I'm excited to use it and show it to you guys. And a couple things, like I said, I want to mention was the reason why I went with the non-fuel is the head is smaller, so you can get it into tighter spaces. The weight of the ratchet, if you're going to be using this thing all day, that fuel ratchet's going to get heavy. The other thing is, well, why don't you? Some people say, well, why don't you just go buy something from Hobo Freight? Well, they had a decent ratchet, and I've heard good things about it. But for me, it was kind of tall, and I was like, there's something better out there. And the head on that one was bigger too, keep in mind. So, and that I would want to buy an additional battery. It only comes with one battery. This, yes, it didn't come with any batteries, but I've already got, batteries. So I'm not having to add another charger to my collection. Maybe one day I'll do a video on that on my charging shelf over there with all the different chargers I have on it, and that was part of me why I'm going to keep investing in the Milwaukee line, is because I like having one charger that does it all versus having 10 chargers on my wall. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and I will, like I said, make more videos with it, using it, and get you guys a real world comparison. No, Milwaukee did not pay me to say any of this. I bought this with my own money, so I am not biased. I like the tool. They make a good product, and I like their product. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future.